Alright guys, let's do a Flight 7 Admiral 5000 milliamp an hour pack 50C. The first of two. First of two. Sound system, I just have it still plugged in. Tighten this guy up. Connect it. Whew. Check the gear from the last flight, guys. Make sure it's all good. Yeah, it's good. All right. This GoPro on my head starts to feel a little heavy after a while. All right. Check all the controls. Flaps up. Landing flaps are good.
Takeoff flaps.
Liking the takeoff flaps, guys. 6 minutes on the timer. Looking good. All right. Let's get going. Now remember guys, I think this is Flight 7. It was so much fun. Alright, here we go. Corsair on the line. Let's do it. Standing up. Look at that. Woo! I'm milking it. Alright.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Not talking, so you guys could just hear it when it passes by. As up there, it's nice, feels nice. I like where my settings are right now with my rates and expo switch all the way up. I gave it some throttle there as I passed. Take it easy there, flying it big. That is with takeoff flaps on, guys. That's how I could get a fly slow enough for some of those videos here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Loving it, loving it. Facing the wind here. Up. Nice. Nice. So it is flying with an extra a satellite receiver and a sound system in it, guys. What a gentle flyer. Just gotta remember the warbird rules. 2 minutes. Yep. I think the sound system definitely adds something to it, right? What do you guys think? That was at full throttle there, but with takeoff flaps.
1 minute.
1 minute. Really 2 then. Very good on the battery.
Mm. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Just going on by here. Man, those takeoff flaps, it just, I mean, man, love it, love it. We'll go, man, pass. Flying a big, flying a big. Woo! Show the landing gear.
Gear down.
Here we go. Nice, nice.
Minus 1 minute.
1 minute. Here we go, guys, on the approach. It's dragged by the gear. Stay in the throttle. Nice. Woo! Woo! So fun. All right, guys. Let's ease it into its day here. here will do. Woo! All right, everything looks good.
Takeoff. Landing.
Flaps look good.
Takeoff flaps.
Rear tail. Flaps are good. All right. 2 minutes,
Timer
31
reset.
seconds over the 6-minute timer. So 8 minutes, 31 seconds. Check the gear real quick. I always feel better looking at it. Yep. Looking good. Whew. All right, guys. RC hobbies and more. That was with the Admiral pack in there. Let's take a look, huh? Since I remember this time, take a look. I think I usually forget in all my videos. Sorry about that, fellas. All right, there we go. Let's take a look. This pack's not even warm or anything. Jeez. Hook it up to the Spectrum battery analyzer. 67%, guys. 67% on this Admiral 5,000 milliamp an hour 50C pack. So, yeah. There we go. 67%. All right, RC hobbies and more. Every day's a gift.